Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to tag and color code a folder on the Find application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Find application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way on to the dock. Go to the Find application. Now what we will do is locate a folder that we wish to tag and color code. Let's just focus on my YouTube channel, which is on the bottom left corner of Finder. Go to that folder. We can right click and then we can add that folder to any colored tag. So let's just click on the red one, and as you can see, we now have a red tag on the side of the folder. So let's just also click on another folder. If I were to click on Computer Science Videos Limited, put that as a red tag. Let's now go to another folder, Photos 2023, give that an orange tag. So let's now quit Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way on to the dock. Go to the Find application again. If I now click on the tags that we have assigned the folders to, we can quickly access those folders. So orange, Photos 2023, and red. There we go. So there's already a folder from before, Word documents. We will look to remove the tags if we wish to. Let's go back one again. So let's now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.